Market volatility has taken its toll. Now what? I'm Chuck Rose, Certified Financial Planner, and I want to talk today about the current income of your investments. Let's start with a quick quote by Jack Bogle, famous investor and late founder of Vanguard. Jack was really known for his quotes, but there's one I ran across recently that I thought was really interesting. He said, "Time is your friend and impulse is your enemy." Jack was really great and really promoted staying the course. We think staying the course can be wise, but it also can be wise to couple that with checking in on your portfolio. And if you have a diversified portfolio with broad exposure, it's likely you're getting current income from multiple sources. Let's name a few. It could be dividend-paying stocks, bonds, preferred securities, and even some alternative investments depending on what their focus is. And just about every segment of the financial market's in negative territory for 2022. Income is a component of your portfolio that's getting stronger as we move through this environment. That's really because of lower prices and rising interest rates. The way this comes to fruition is in a few ways. First, when there's new securities issued in the marketplace, they're issued at higher interest rates. And those are things that are issued like government bonds, corporate bonds, municipal bonds, and even preferred securities. As you or the funds that you own buy those securities, you're increasing the yield in your portfolios. Also, within your portfolio, because of your dividend reinvestments and also your periodic rebalances, you're always buying in securities at lower prices in a market that's down, but with higher yields as well. That's improving the yield in your portfolio. And for those of you that are still contributing to your workplace plans, like your 401ks or other retirement plans, your IRAs, or your other investment accounts, this is really turbocharging your potential and eventual recovery as well. So if you're a client and you're interested in a quick personalized update on the biggest contributors of your portfolio from an income standpoint, let us know. We'll prepare that for you. And for anyone listening, it could be worth digging into your portfolio and looking at your income producing investments. Also, a quick update and a quick really just a behavioral trap is to be careful of yield traps. And in our industry, we call yield traps things that the yield looks great and super, they might have an outsized yield, whether it's a stock or a bond or an alternative investment you're looking at, but it just may not fit within your portfolio because of risk, or it just may not be worth it. So by working with a professional, you can work to try to avoid yield traps. So as we go on, from a human and a behavior standpoint, from a long-term success standpoint, it really feels like forever going through these challenging environments. But don't forget, every quarter, month, twice a year, and sometimes annually, the securities within your investments are paying income, and that really does matter, and it really does contribute over time. It doesn't happen over days and weeks. It happens over quarters and years. Here's a few calls to action. Check in with your advisor, especially discuss if anything has changed with the timelines of your goals. And if you have any windfalls, and those could be in the forms of bonuses, sales of property or business, inheritances, we would suggest erring on the side of being conservative the way you use those assets right now in a time of uncertainty with rising unemployment. And we can help you with that as well too, or your financial planner can help you with that. Like Jack Bogle had said, time is your friend and markets move in cycles. We believe there will be an eventual recovery. But as always, there's risks in the meanwhile. So by staying the course, you're letting your income producing assets do their job and contribute while we wait. If this information was interesting, please like, subscribe, and share, and email us if there's any topics you'd like to hear about in the future. Thank you.